So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add a timer to your Wix website. So first of all you have to come on this website called elfsight.com, and after that you go to widget section, and in the e-commerce section go to countdown timer. Click on create widget and choose whichever template you like as your coding. I'll go with this one and click on continue with this template. After that you can customize your timer here however you like, and after customizing your template click on add to website, and as you can see you can sign up or log in your elfsight account. And after coming on this page just save the widget and click on add to website. Copy this code by just clicking on it and go to your editor.wix.com. Here choose add elements and click on embed code, and after that go for embedded HTML. Here you just paste the code you have just copied and click on update button. And as you can see guys, my timer is here on my Wix website, and you can customize it or put however you like as your requirement. So if you find this video helpful, then subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.